Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations.
And what have we done to the workshop?
Oh, man.
Oh, the move around worked.
The aftermath.
The aftermath we're dealing with.
Yeah.
It is
as well as continuing to work.
Continuing to work, bringing in new work, dealing with the old work, doing the worky work. We've got to do booth work.
Yeah.
That's on the cards as well. And the constant tidying never stops.
It never stops because I make a lot of mess.
Don't you just?
I make a lot of mess.
So we're going to go through a little recap of everything that's gone on, what we're doing, what's come in. But
Just a bit of an update.
But before that,
Yeah.
I've got a surprise for you.
She has got a surprise for me. I'm not allowed in the back of the van.
Lewis
and I drove it here today.
Lewis, you've been banned from the van until now. I'm going to insert a little clip here of what we've been up to. Right, it's Saturday. We've stolen the van. And we've said to Lewis that we're going out shopping. Yeah. What he doesn't know is that we're going to go and pick up a surprise for him. Right, we're at Cardiff Services. We've got a cheeky Starbucks and we've got everything in the van. So wait till you see the video to see what we picked up. It's going to be amazing. And shall we go and have a look-see in the back of the van?
Do you want to wait until the end of the video? I mean, I'm excited, but
can you wait?
They want to know, but
well,
we'll make them wait.
we will come back to that and have a look. I'm really excited, but let's go and have a look at what we've been doing. Right, down to the back of the middle of the back of the shed.
Front of the middle of the front.
Front of the middle.
Anyway, Subaru in many pieces.
Yeah, there we go.
Work is ongoing. I am waiting for a guy to come take the glass out.
Oh yes, glass out and badges from Japan and things.
Yeah. Normally we would remove the glass ourselves on rubbers, but this is its original glass. It's all been etched with its chassis number, and I don't want to break it. So we've hired a guy in to come and deal with it. He's just going to cut it out, and then when we're finished painting, he'll put it back in.
It's the guy who did the E30. He's very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
That's very seized. I can't deal with that. I've got a friend who's very much into motorbikes. He's going to come and sort that out, hopefully.
He's currently on his holly hops, waiting for him to come home.
Behind you,
you might recognise this.
We actually have all the parts to repair this now, including a cut section for anything that's no good. So that's going to be underway soon.
Hopefully,
nice.
Just a case of cutting out the benty bit, putting the good bit in, and then putting all the panels on.
Well, we'll straighten it and see what needs doing.
Yeah, easy peasy, hopefully.
In the booth.
In the booth, around this way.
Very quickly.
In the booth, look what we've got in here.
This is lovely, isn't it?
It is lovely.
This has been my week's work to deal with the repair work on this, and it's coming out really nice.
Lewis was working on this last week, so it's had all weekend to cure, and it's looking, I have to say, rather beautiful there.
Yeah, not too bad, eh?
Not too bad at all.
Red's always a difficult one, and
aged red is the worst, isn't it?
Aged red is always a difficult one.
The worst to colour match, but have a look at that. This is paprika rot. Sorry, in German, paprika rot? Paprika red. Yes. So
anyway,
that's going to be going back together.
This is next week's video, so keep your eye out for that. It's
Sneak preview. Yeah. Sneak preview. Where to next?
That's it, really.
Let's go look in the van now. Let's go look in the van. Come on, Louisa. Let's take Daddy to the van. Oh, are you excited? Right, we're going to show Lewis what we've got in the van. What could it be? Any guesses?
I don't know. What did you go? She went all the way to the other side of Cardiff for this.
Other side of Cardiff. It was well worth it.
Yeah.
Say open.
Worth it for me because I got to spend the day with that.
Open.
It's lots of.
Can you guess what it is?
That's a BMW bumper.
That's a BMW bumper.
That's a BMW bonnet.
In what colour?
These are all grey panels.
I think it's the right colour grey
for
way. Our E46.
No way. Front bumper, bonnet, two bumpers, a bonnet. That a wing?
Wings.
And these bits.
It's a whole M Sport pack for an E46 and a new bonnet as well. Because our E46 is looking a bit worse for wear. Isn't it, Louisa?
Are these non-rusty wings?
These are non-rusty wings.
No way.
And a non-rusty bonnet with not weird paint on it.
No.
Should we get everything out and have a look?
But I like my weird paint.
Right, let's get it all out.
could be genuine wings because this stuff is that's genuine sealer. And the replacement wings are black, not this brownie colour, so that's really good. Could be genuine wings.
Oh, there's a bit of a scratch there. Oh no, it's dirt. We're all right.
Dirt. Stomp. Just messing. This is really nice.
There we go, honey. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday. Did I do good?
You did amazing. So how many hundreds of pounds did all of this cost?
Well, you know online that the headlights are like 150 quid
headlights.
each.
Headlights 150 quid each. I bet a bonnet in good conditions.
100.
Let me just tell you how much I think this lot cost.
All right, go on then.
300 quid for headlights.
Yeah.
These are on eBay prices.
Yeah.
300 quid for headlights.
Because Lewis has been looking.
150 for a fairly tidy bonnet.
This is a fairly tidy bonnet.
So that's 450.
Yeah.
I'm going to add this up as I go, otherwise I'm going to be screwed. That rear bumper.
M Sport, don't forget.
M Sport, but it's not in the best of shape, so that's probably a 50 quid bumper.
Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough.
That's 5.
Yeah.
Front bumper's nice.
Yeah.
100 quid. 6.
2 front genuine wings.
Genuine in good condition wings.
Yeah.
You can buy repos for 60 quid a piece, but they are genuine and they are in good condition. No rust at all.
Completely rust free.
So I'm going to say they're probably worth. I'm going to say they're probably 150 quid each.
Yeah, that's a good
That's
estimate.
another 300, so 8 now. And sills. I mean,
plates.
I'm going to stop there because it's getting like sills another 100 quid and all the bits and bobs. We won't worry about that. So there's just £900 worth of stuff because the car was only 8.
I don't usually tell you how much I've spent on presents for you, but I got all of this for 300 quid.
That's a steal.
Isn't that a steal? I did have to
That
drive
is a steal.
5-hour round trip, but I think it was worth it.
I think it was worth it. That is a steal.
Even the badge is in good condition. Even the badge. So
That
300 quid, and all we have to do, because it is, I think it's the same colour.
Yeah,
I'm
bolt them
pretty
on.
sure it's bolt them on, and we're halfway to having a decent looking car. We are going to be repainting it, but this is going to be good for driving around in. Look, there's not even one speed fastener is a bit rusty. That's it.
Yeah, they
How good is
all go here.
Yeah.
They all go there. There's not even. I mean, it's been scratched, but
Yeah, but this is. Oh, is that the scratch? Yeah, look.
oh, well, they was all scratched a bit.
Yeah. But no, I'm really happy with that, and I hope you're really happy as
I'm
well.
very happy with this. This is amazing.
So, shouldn't actually take long to swap everything over.
No.
I don't think we're going to swap the rear, but it has got parking sensor, a couple of spare parking sensors.
Yeah, well, we need them.
Yeah, we need them.
We need them because one of them's fell in the bumper.
Yeah. Front bumper is better, but it's got fog lights, which look in good condition actually.
Yeah, but we've got some
spares, yeah.
we've got some aftermarket fog lights. We've got some tinted ones, which are just
Yeah.
oh, got a good number plate.
Foo.
Foo.
Foo. Unfortunately, Foo is gone.
Foo is dead.
Foo is dead. Nice set of grills as well.
If you owned this car,
Yeah.
please tell me you called it Kung.
Pardon, called it what?
Kung.
Oh, Kung Fu.
Kung Fu. I'm going to take Kung for a drive.
I totally heard something else.
Yes, I know. Yeah, the rear bumper's a bit
Seen better days.
lumpy bumpy, but our one just needs painting.
Yeah. But it was take it all, so there we go.
That's bloody lovely.
Bloody lovely. Headlights
lovely.
as well, because our headlights go like this.
Yeah.
So just swap them out, and they're really clear as well.
Super, super nice. And a whole bag full of bolts and clips and
Whole
stuff.
bag full of bolts and clips.
Oh, bumper sliders.
All sorts.
No way, wheel bolts.
No way.
Guess who needs wheel bolts?
I think you really need wheel bolts. With a locking thing.
Is there all wheel bolts in there?
All sorts of stuff.
Bumper bolts.
Treasure. I hate to cut you off there,
But we got other things.
but we
to
have
do.
to go because go down. We
We've
have
got
to
other
go
things to do.
because Lewis's mum's truck's broken down, and we have to
Yeah.
go and recover it.
Exhaust pipe has fallen off.
Exhaust pipe fell
Which
off.
is funny because the exhaust pipe has also fallen off a Supra.
It's exhausting at the moment.
It is exhausting.
It is exhausting. So we're going to go and rescue that. We'll be
Yeah.
back soon.
Ciao.
Ciao. Also, huge thank you to the subscriber who tipped us off about these, tagged us in a Facebook post, and I got the guy's number and we gave him a call. So without you, we wouldn't have them. So thank you very much, Ian. Much appreciated. He's going to fit the parts right now. Look. Yeah. It's so much better already.
Double wing.
Double wing.
Does that make it a bi-wing?
No, that makes it a wide body.
Do you know what? It does.
Look at it.
Some tech screws, Leane.
Go, go, go.